Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add contacts to your Mailchimp audience. There are several straightforward methods to grow your list. You can manually input individual subscribers, which is perfect for a few new contacts. For larger groups, importing a file like a CSV is highly efficient. Additionally, Mailchimp integrates with many other platforms, allowing for seamless data synchronization. Finally, advanced users can leverage the API for custom solutions. To manually add a single contact, first log into your Mailchimp account and go to your audience dashboard. Look for the Add Your Contacts button, usually found near the top right. From the drop-down, choose Add a Subscriber. A form will appear where you can input their email address, first name, and last name. Remember to confirm their subscription status before clicking Subscribe to finalize the addition. For adding many contacts at once, importing a file is your best option. Start by organizing your contact data in a CSV or TXT file, ensuring clear headers like email address and first name. In Mailchimp, navigate to your audience and select Import Contacts. Choose Upload a File, then select your prepared document. Mailchimp will guide you through mapping your file's columns to its audience fields. Review everything carefully, then complete the import. Beyond manual entry and file imports, Mailchimp offers robust integration capabilities. You can connect your account with hundreds of popular applications, like e-commerce platforms or CRM systems, to automatically sync customer data. This ensures your audience is always up to date without manual effort. For developers, the Mailchimp API provides extensive tools to build custom solutions, allowing for highly tailored and automated contact management workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.